In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the authorization code on Hostinger, step by step. If you're planning to transfer your domain to another registrar, like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other provider, you'll need what's called an EPP code, also known as the authorization code. This code is essential for approving the transfer, and without it, your domain cannot be moved. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process inside Hostinger's hPanel, so you can find it quickly and easily. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your Hostinger account and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be inside the Hostinger hPanel, which is their custom control panel where you manage hosting, domains, emails, and other services. From the main dashboard, look for the Domain section. Depending on your layout, you can either click on Domains directly from the top menu or find it listed among your services. Go ahead and click on Domains to see the list of domain names connected to your account. Now you'll see all the domains you currently own or manage under Hostinger. Find the specific domain name that you want to transfer. Once you locate it, click on the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the domain management area, where you can control DNS settings, name servers, renewal options, and other domain-related configurations. Inside the domain management page, you'll land on the Domain Overview section by default. This is where you can see the general details of your domain. Scroll through this page carefully until you find the section labeled Authorization Code, sometimes also referred to as EPP code. The authorization code is usually hidden for security reasons. Next to it, you'll see an eye icon. Click on that eye icon to reveal the code. Hostinger may ask you to confirm your identity via email verification or account confirmation, depending on your security settings. If prompted, simply follow the on-screen instructions to verify your access. Once revealed, you'll see a string of letters, numbers, and special characters. That is your domain's authorization code. Now all you need to do is copy this code. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown, without adding extra spaces. You'll need to paste this code into your new registrar's domain transfer form when initiating the transfer process. Keep in mind that before transferring, your domain must be unlocked. If your domain is locked, look for the domain lock setting in the same management area and disable it temporarily. Also, ensure your domain has been registered for more than 60 days, as ICANN rules prevent newly registered domains from being transferred within the first 60 days. And that's it. That's how you get the authorization code on Hostinger quickly and easily. Log into hPanel, go to Domains, click Manage on your domain, reveal the authorization code in the Domain Overview section, and copy it for your transfer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and domain management guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.